Today, join CocoSina on the math cruise. Let's learn to share fairly and practice the 3 and 4 times tables.
CocoSina, Nuri, Monkey, and Luca. We're 4 friends sharing cookies. 1, 2, 3, 3 for each. Everyone gets the same. 3, 1, 3, 6, 3. I know 6, 2, 5, 3, 9. 4 friends we are. 3 by 4 each. 12 will need 12 packs. Each gets 3, but 2 remain. Let's keep them kindly for someone else. 3 by 3, let's share. Let's learn the 3 times table. 3 by 2 is 6 equal 21. Even if we don't need them all, learning is fun. Now we're sharing colored pencils, red, blue, yellow, and green. Each friend gets 1 full set and draws a pretty home on the page. 4 reds, 4 blues, 4 yellows, 4 greens. We sort pencils by color. 16 pencils shared all around. Each has the same 4 colors. 4 by 4, let's share. 4 by 4, let's share. Let's learn the 4 times table. 4 more, 4, 4, 4, full 88, 4, 5, go 16. When we learn to multiply, dividing is easy. Knowing the tables makes life simple.
Use what you learned today in your everyday life. Sharing makes math more fun. See you on the next voyage.